Capstone 3, Ocean Acidification Threat to Polar Regions. Ocean acidification is a considerable threat to polar regions as it provokes tropical cyclone intensification, the retreat of the polar ice sheets, and reductions of the convective mixing at higher latitudes that transports heat to the deep ocean through the Atlantic meridional overturning circulation. The region appears to be vulnerable because it is full of glaciers and polar ice that is gradually melting and the polar ice sheets that become thinner, in this way affecting coastal ecosystem. It is important to mention that the rate of the acidification in surface waters varies regionally and is 50% higher in the northern Atlantic than in the subtropical Atlantic. At significantly sustained concentrations of CO2, the great changes in the chemistry of ocean water will take many years to dissolve all the harmful elements. The natural dissolution of the CaCO3 from sediments and tens to hundreds of thousands of years to be eliminated by the weathering of rocks on land. The forecasts regarding environmental change are predicted to become worse. The polar ice and glaciers will melt and the concentration of the chemical elements will be getting higher and higher. The level of harmful carbonate ions in the waters of the world ocean will affect calcium carbonate compounds and damage marine species. The forecasted impact on communities is that they will experience the runoff of the nutrients because of the stimulation of the plankton growth. The supply of the nutrients rich deep water will be limited to the surface, causing significant problems to the communities. What are the solutions, if applicable? Dissolution of power plant flue gas into seawater, yielding an acidic solution that is neutralized by addition of crushed limestone.